Guest Profile Overview 2. This lesson will cover how you can manage the Profile Overview screen for the guest profile. In the Profile section of the Manage Profile window, links are in bold to indicate that there have been additional details added to the corresponding link. We will not review all the links you see in the window in this lesson. Let's start by clicking the keyword link. Clicking the keyword link opens the dialog box. Here, you can enter words or phrases that you are able to use to retrieve information in a profile search or report filter. Keywords are typically identifiers, such as tax numbers or abbreviated codes that identify specific companies. Keywords are typically used with company and travel agent profiles. Let's practice entering a keyword. Click the new link. The keyword type field enables you to classify the keyword you are entering. Click the search icon. A list of keyword types appear. Some of the types listed are property-specific, while others are pre-configured by Opera Cloud and cannot be removed. After you have selected the keyword type, click the Select button. The keyword field is where you enter a brief description or abbreviation of the profile. Clicking Save will finalize any changes. The newly added keyword is listed, and you can now search for this profile using it. You can edit keywords associated with the profile when you click the ellipsis. Click Close. When you click the Preferences link, you can set and display the guest's preferred room features or any special requests. Attaching preferences to a profile will allow them to be reviewed for future stays. Click the new link. The Available Preference dialog box is divided into two sections. In the Available section, you can select Profile Preferences. When added, Preferences will display in the Selected section. Preferences are divided into preference groups. When you use the Expand buttons, you can view the preferences. After you select your preferences, click the Add arrow. The Selected section displays the preferences that have been added to the profile. When you click the Down button on the scroll bar, you can view and add additional preferences. When you're done, you can click the Save button. The newly added preferences appear on the Preferences screen. You can use the Search field if the guest has a long list of preferences attached to their profile. If you click the Relationships link, you can link existing profiles to the guest profile. For example, a company profile can be associated with a guest profile. Relationships will be covered as part of the company profile course. In the Notifications section, there are links available for you to attach documents and add notes to the profile. Click the Attachments link. In the Attachments dialog box, you can select and upload files that contain details relating to the guest profile. For example, a copy of the guest's ID can be attached. Click the new link. When you click the Choose File button, you can search for the file that you need to link to this profile. Attachments must be 2 megabytes or less to be accepted and attached to the profile. If you are working in a multi-property environment, you have the option to set the visibility of the attachment as either global or property. The Name field is used to identify the file being attached. In the Description field, you can enter an explanation of the attachment. After entering all necessary information for the attachment, click Save. The information entered appears in the dialog box. If you click the ellipsis, you will see available options for the attachment, including the option to download the document. When you click the Notes link, you can enter comments and add them to the profile. This can be anything from the guest's allergies to notes regarding past stays. It is completely up to the property to decide how to use this feature. Click the new link. In the Type field, you can select the type of note you are attaching to the profile. When you click the search icon, a list of note types will appear. The property may choose to add customized note types. After you have selected the note type, click the Select button. The Internal checkbox enables you to determine if this note will be excluded from stationery and reports. The Title field is where you enter the subject for the note. When configured by an administrator, the description of the note type can automatically populate as the title. The Comment field is where you enter the details of the note. The Available In section is where you determine whether the note is specific to the property or global if you are working in a multi-property environment. You have the option to click the Save and Continue button to save your changes as you work and continue adding notes. However, if you are finished, click Save to record changes and close the dialog box. The details of the note appear in the dialog box. Internal notes will have an indicator to the left of them. When you click the ellipsis, you will have options to edit or delete the note. Now, we will briefly define the links in the billing section on the Manage Profile window. Accounts receivables are special accounts that allow accumulated charges to be direct billed for payments on an agreed-upon schedule. Individuals or companies can be assigned AR accounts. Negotiated rates are special rates extended to individuals, companies, or groups based on their loyalty to the property. Both accounts receivables and negotiated rates are covered in the company profile lesson. In the Stay section, you can view past and future reservations related to the profile. Click the Future and Past Stays link. In the Future and Past Stays dialog box, you can review past and present reservations that are linked to the profile. Because this is a new profile, this guest does not have any data shown. If there were past stays, the screen would look like this. All future bookings for the guest are listed at the top of the screen, while all past stays are listed on the bottom. You are able to click the Expand buttons to view more details in the reservation, or click the links in the confirmation column to access the reservation. This lesson covered how you can manage the Profile Overview screen for the guest profile. For more information on Opera Cloud, please review other courses on this topic within Opera Digital Learning. You may also visit the Oracle Hospitality Help Center for Opera Cloud and search for this topic. Keep your eyes peeled for additional videos and courses on Opera Cloud. Thank you for watching.